of oil and gas, which is to the limelight because of the kind of moves crude oil has been making of late, and the oil marketing basket, which seems to be working along the lines of crude oil as well. What's your take on this entire segment?
It's very clear that OMC stocks have actually rallied or been rallying over the last couple of days on the back of declining oil prices. If you recall, we had discussed oil a few days back, and my view is that $96.5 is where it should. If you look at the oil charts, even from a daily chart, I don't think oil has really given off any kind of signal that is to about $96, the uptrend remains firmly in place. So therefore, what you could now stage a climb back again from somewhere around 96.90. I think the rally in OMC stock, they've all reached levels where I would think from here, based on our markets being firm, and one should now either take profits off the table or one should really set very tight stops on your holdings in oil marketing company. Similarly for Reliance, I think we had a target about 1055, that's what it hit. It's pulled back from there, shown a willingness to sort of respect that particular resistance. So I think oil and gas as a whole might have seen the upside that was to emerge out of a decreasing oil price.
Okay. Dr. Narayan, the other bit would be, while you would have spoken about banks in brief, they are holding out pretty well ahead of the policy, and most bankers spoke about there probably not being any kind of a rate hike. Assuming that there isn't a rate hike, you think there could be a bit of a brief rally because the markets are probably priced in a 25 bips rate hike?
I think you sort of said it right. There could be a brief rally, and brief is all that you may get. Now, let's take the whole of the sector, for example. If you look at Bank Nifty, which as a kind of a representation, Bank Nifty has actually been in a consolidation for even longer than the Nifty itself. The Nifty is about 6 weeks into consolidation. The Bank Nifty has actually been consolidating for about 9 weeks now and still not showing any signs of wanting to come out of it, which is mainly because, the major stocks like State Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, etc. are not really into an uptrend. If you look at, the 15-20 odd stocks which are there in the futures from the banking setup, you will be hard-pressed to find about 4 or 5 of them which are, in any manner of an uptrend, and that would be something very peripheral like an IOB, a Can Bank, a Bank of Baroda, and, kind of IndusInd Bank. So these are not stocks which really generate any kind of sentiments. So the major stocks from the banking sector which will really generate or arbitrate the sentiment of a trader, they are into a kind of a sideways to a downward trend. So I think you may get at best a brief rally. I don't think the market is really setting too much store by what is going to happen at tomorrow's RBI meeting. So I don't really think anything major is going to come out of it, whether they keep it at the same level or they add or subtract 25 bips. I think the banks will simply run with the rest of the market. They're not really into a trend-setting mode by themselves.
Alright, stay on, Dr. Narayan. Lots more to talk about. 2.5% higher for the BSE Bank X. So we're shaping up fairly well for that side of the market. But talk more about commodities, maybe a couple of commodity trading strategies, a few interesting stocks which are in news, all of that coming up on the other side. Stay tuned to Global Trade.